Welcome back to Crack with Tricks. Let's solve today's top questions for SSC, Banking, Railway, and PSC exams. Question number 1. Who was appointed as the head of the High-Power Task Force for Examination Reforms in July 2026? Option A. Nandan Nilekani. Option B. Dharmendra Pradhan. Option C. Vineet Joshi. Option D. Prahlad Joshi. The correct answer is option A. Nandan Nilekani. Question number 2. What is the primary objective of the High-Power Task Force led by Nandan Nilekani? Option A. Digital literacy. Option B. Infrastructure growth. Option C. Avoiding paper leaks. Option D. Space research. The correct answer is option C. Avoiding paper leaks. Question number 3. Which ancient Buddhist site was inscribed as India's 45th UNESCO World Heritage Site? Option A. Sanchi Stupa. Option B. Kushinagar. Option C. Bodh Gaya. Option D. Sarnath. The correct answer is option D. Sarnath. Question number 4. Where was the 48th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee held? Option A. New Delhi, India. Option B. Paris, France. Option C. Busan, South Korea. Option D. Geneva, Switzerland. The correct answer is option C. Busan, South Korea. Question number 5. What was the theme of the BRICS Science Academies Forum meeting held at IIT Hyderabad? Option A. Digital connectivity. Option B. Harnessing AI for sustainable development. Option C. Green technology. Option D. Space collaboration. The correct answer is option B. Harnessing AI for sustainable development. Question number 6. Who chaired the third BRICS Ministerial Meeting on Disaster Risk Reduction (DRR) in New Delhi? Option A. Amit Shah. Option B. Narendra Modi. Option C. Nandan Nilekani. Option D. Nityanand Rai. The correct answer is option D. Nityanand Rai. Question number 7. OECD revised India's GDP growth forecast for FY27 to what percentage? Option A. 6.1%. Option B. 6.5%. Option C. 6.7%. Option D. 6.3%. The correct answer is option D. 6.3%. Question number 8. According to the National Statistics Office, NSO, what was India's real GDP growth for FY26? Option A. 7.7%. Option B. 8.2%. Option C. 7.0%. Option D. 6.5%. The correct answer is option A. 7.7%. Question number 9. Fitch Ratings lowered India's GDP growth forecast for FY27 to which percentage in June 2026? Option A. 6.6%. Option B. 6.4%. Option C. 6.8%. Option D. 6.1%. The correct answer is option B. 6.4%. Question number 10. Which credit rating agency downgraded India's FY27 GDP growth forecast to 6.6% in June 2026? Option A. Moody's. Option B. CRISIL. Option C. Fitch. Option D. S&P Global. The correct answer is option D. S&P Global. Question number 11. World Bank's Global Economic Prospectus projected India's FY27 growth at what percentage? Option A. 6.3%. Option B. 6.8%. Option C. 6.6%. Option D. 6.4%. The correct answer is option C, 6.6%. Question number 12. Which roadmap did President Draupadi Murmu launch during her visit to Moldova? Option A, 3-E roadmap. Option B, 3-T roadmap. Option C, Digital Moldova. Option D, Green Partnership. The correct answer is option B, 3-T roadmap. Question number 13. President Murmu declared which year as the India-Romania Year of Innovation? Option A, 2026. Option B, 2027. Option C, 2025. Option D, 2028. The correct answer is option D, 2028. Question number 14. Where is the fintech startup Vyona, which received IBPS approval, headquartered? Option A, Bengaluru. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Hyderabad. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Question number 15. When was the trading of India's first exchange-traded natural gas futures set to commence on NSE? Option A, 27th July. Option B, 25th July. Option C, 28th July. Option D, 24th July. The correct answer is option A, 27th July. Question number 16. The Vizhinjam International Seaport has been developed under which model? Option A, government-owned. Option B, PPP model. Option C, fully private. Option D, foreign managed. The correct answer is option B, PPP model. Question number 17. What is the name of the scheme launched by Himachal Pradesh to support reservoir fishermen? Option A, Matsya Seva Yojana. Option B, Fisherman Aid Scheme. Option C, Machuya Sahay Nidhi. Option D, Mukhyamantri Machuya Samman Nidhi. The correct answer is option D, Mukhyamantri Machuya Samman Nidhi. Question number 18. With which organization did Odisha sign and MoU for a 14,275 crore rupees AI data center? Option A, HCL. Option B, Reliance. Option C, Meta. Option D, Google. The correct answer is option A, HCL. Question number 19. How many Starlink V3 satellites were deployed by SpaceX in its 13th test flight? Option A, 10. Option B, 15. Option C, 25. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option D, 20. Question number 20. On which date is the International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem observed? Option A, 24th July. Option B, 28th July. Option C, 26th July. Option D, 22nd July. The correct answer is option C, 26th July. Question number 21. What is India's rank in the 2026 Global Peace Index? Option A, 120. Option B, 127. Option C, 135. Option D, 115. The correct answer is option B, 127. Question number 22. Which institute ranked first in India in the QS World University Rankings 2027? Option A, IIT Delhi. Option B, IIT Bombay. Option C, IISc Bangalore. Option D, IIT Madras. The correct answer is option A, IIT Delhi. Question number 23. Which country was designated as a priority foreign country in the USTR 301 report? Option A, India. Option B, Russia. Option C, Sudan. Option D, Vietnam. The correct answer is option D, Vietnam. Question number 24. Who became Nepal's youngest Prime Minister at the age of 35? Option A, KP Sharma Oli. Option B, Balen Shah. Option C, Pushpa Kamal Dahal. Option D, Sher Bahadur Deuba. The correct answer is option B, Balen Shah. Question number 25. What is the theme of the 79th World Health Assembly held in Geneva? Option A, Health for All. Option B, Sustainable Health. Option C, Reshaping Global Health, a Shared Responsibility. Option D, Vaccine Equity. The correct answer is option C, Reshaping Global Health, a Shared Responsibility. Question number 26. EIL and IMT Bhubaneswar signed an agreement for research in which sector? Option A, Green Hydrogen. Option B, Critical Minerals. Option C, Cybersecurity. Option D, Nuclear Energy. The correct answer is option B, Critical Minerals. Question number 27. Who won the men's and women's singles titles at the Indian Open Squash Tournament 2026? Option A, Anahat Singh and Abbas Singh. Option B, Deepika Pallikal and Saurav Ghosal. Option C, Joshna Chinnappa and Abbas Singh. Option D, Anahat Singh and Saurav Ghosal. The correct answer is option A, Anahat Singh and Abbas Singh. Question number 28. Which city will host the 150th anniversary of cricket in 2027? Option A, London. Option B, Sydney. Option C, Melbourne. Option D, Mumbai. The correct answer is option C, Melbourne. Question number 29. Who was awarded the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize for contributions to water science? Option A, Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay. Option B, Kalpana Soren. Option C, Nandan Nilekani. Option D, Cave Madani. The correct answer is option D, Cave Madani. Question number 30. Who was appointed as the chairman of the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC? Option A, Krishna Kumar Thakur. Option B, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. Option C, Pralhad Joshi. Option D, Balen Shah. The correct answer is option B, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. Question number 31. Which union minister was given additional charge of the Ministry of Education in July 2026? Option A, Pralhad Joshi. Option B, Amit Shah. Option C, Nityanand Rai. Option D, Dharmendra Pradhan. The correct answer is option A, Pralhad Joshi. Question number 32. Dharmendra Pradhan resigned from the post of Education Minister primarily due to Option A, health issues. Option B, portfolio reshuffle. Option C, paper leaks and protests. Option D, international assignment. The correct answer is option C, paper leaks and protests. Question number 33. Which state will host the 49th Yonex Sunrise Junior National Badminton Championship for the first time? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Assam. Option C, Goa. Option D, Sikkim. The correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Question number 34. What is the global rank of IIT Delhi in the QS World University Rankings 2027? Option A, 134th. Option B, 118th. Option C, 150th. Option D, 100th. The correct answer is option B, 118th. Question number 35. Which location topped the Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2026 released by Startup Genome? Option A. London. Option B. Bangalore. Option C. Tokyo. Option D. Silicon Valley, USA. The correct answer is option D. Silicon Valley, USA. Question number 36. Which country ranked first in the World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index 2026? Option A. Sweden. Option B. Norway. Option C. Denmark. Option D. Switzerland. The correct answer is option A. Sweden. Question number 37. India secured which position globally in inland water catches according to the FAO report? Option A. Third. Option B. Second. Option C. First. Option D. Fourth. The correct answer is option C. First. Question number 38. Which country topped the QS World Future Skill Index 2027 with a score of 99.2? Option A. UK. Option B. USA. Option C. Australia. Option D. Germany. The correct answer is option B. USA. Question number 39. Who was selected for the Saraswati Samman 2025 for the publication Har Bharti Katha? Option A. Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay. Option B. Nandan Nilekani. Option C. Balen Shah. Option D. Krishna Kumar. The correct answer is option A. Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay. Question number 40. Who received the BRICS CCI Women Empowerment Trailblazer Award in July 2026? Option A. Rituparna Sen Gupta. Option B. Anahat Singh. Option C. Kalpana Chawla. Option D. Kalpana Soren. The correct answer is option D. Kalpana Soren. Question number 41. Which entity emerged as India's second largest NBFC-MFI following a merger? Option A. Muthoot Microfin. Option B. Swata Microfin. Option C. Bajaj Finance. Option D. Shriram Finance. The correct answer is option B. Swata Microfin. Question number 42. L&T Finance joined which global initiative for sustainable business practices? Option A. World Bank. Option B. WTO. Option C. UN Global Compact. Option D. IMF. The correct answer is option C. UN Global Compact. Question number 43. Which bank partnered with DP World to boost professional golfing in India? Option A. HDFC Bank. Option B. ICICI Bank. Option C. SBI. Option D. Axis Bank. The correct answer is option D. Axis Bank. Question number 44. Who assumed charge as the director at NMDC Limited in July 2026? Option A. Krishna Kumar Thakur. Option B. Vineet Joshi. Option C. Prahlad Joshi. Option D. Nandan Nilekani. The correct answer is option A. Krishna Kumar Thakur. Question number 45. Who became the first IPL batter to cross 4,000 runs in run chases? Option A. Rohit Sharma. Option B. Shikhar Dhawan. Option C. Virat Kohli. Option D. MS Dhoni. The correct answer is option C. Virat Kohli. Question number 46. What is India's position in the World Economic Forum's Energy Transition Index 2026? Option A. 65th. Option B. 70th. Option C. 75th. Option D. 60th. The correct answer is option B. 70th. Question number 47. India was retained on which list in the USTR Special 301 Report 2026? Option A. Priority Watch List. Option B. Black List. Option C. Green List. Option D. Priority foreign country. The correct answer is option A. Priority watch list. Question number 48. 26th July 2026 observance of the International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem was which edition? Option A. 10th. Option B. 12th. Option C. 15th. Option D. 11th. The correct answer is option D. 11th. Question number 49. In which country did India deploy the portable hospital cube Arogya Matri Bhish? Option A. Maldives. Option B. North Macedonia. Option C. Jamaica. Option D. Romania. The correct answer is option C. Jamaica. Question number 50. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed annually on which date to mark the 1999 victory? Option A. 24th July. Option B. 26th July. Option C. 28th July. Option D. 25th July. The correct answer is option B. 26th July. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more exam preparation videos.